Okay, so guys, what do you think? What it is? This is a normal image, guys. The image you download from internet. This is a JPG file. But what if I tell you this is not a normal image? What if I tell you there is a secret message or secret thing embedded in this image that you don't know of? Isn't it cool, guys? Because if I go into my terminal, then type file image. So as you all can see, this is a simple JPEG image, nothing too fancy. This is a basic image file. We can't say anything to this image that this image is not a normal image, this image is a file. No, this is a normal JPEG image data. This is a normal JPEG image. But what if I type some command, something like stag hide extract -sf and give the name of my file and click on enter? It will ask me for a password or passphrase, so I'll just type something and it is saying that wrote extracted data to secret.txt. What is secret.txt? Let's see. Oh my god, this is a secret message from WeCoders. Guys, this is literally a data behind this image, hidden behind this image. So guys, this is something called steganography. So if you guys don't know about steganography, what steganography is, let me tell you something about it. So guys, basically steganography is a practice of hiding a message with a file. This is a basic example of steganography. Like if you have a file which is an audio file, not an image file, you can also do it with the image files and also with audio files, any kind of file format you want. You can hide data behind these images or audio files. This is not like encryption, guys. Encryption just scrambles the data to keep it safe. But steganography makes the existence of data invisible. It means you can't even tell that this image has an hidden data behind it. Guys, it's like putting a secret message inside a bottle and tossing it into the ocean. Only the intended person can know what it is in there. So I think that's enough for the theoretical part. Let's go with practical. So if I go to Google and download an image, as you can see, I also downloaded a dog image here. So let's now download an image of a cat. Let's go with cat now. Okay, every cat is cute, guys. We like cats, so yeah, we'll go with this cat. Or this looks more innocent to me, so let's download it. Save image. And I'll save it as myfile.jpg. Okay, it's a JPG file, not a JPEG file. So where is my file? Here is my file, myfile.jpg. As you can see, this is where, what the hell? So yeah, this is an image, guys. This is a normal image. Right now we downloaded it from internet, just in front of you. We downloaded it. So now if I refresh my terminal and make it a little bigger so you guys can see, first of all I'll go with command ls-lh of that myfile.jpg. As you all can see, this is 43 KB. Keep it in mind because this will help us know that our data is embedded. So yeah, this is our image. This is our image file, JPG file. So this is an image file. Now what we will do is we'll use a tool called stag hide, guys. So if stag hide is not installed in your PC, in your Kali machine, you can just do it by following simple commands like, first of all, you have to update your repositories. After you updated it, just go with sudo apt get install stag hide. This will install stag hide for you. Oh, my mistake, it's stag hide. So yeah, it will install it for you. In my case, it's already installed. So let's go with the tool now. So guys, first of all, the first step is to make a data so that we can hide it. So what kind of data we want to hide? We want to hide a simple text or simple secret message to the cat owner. So I'll just with echo and I will go with your cat is hungry. That's it. Now I'll save it into a file name secretcat.txt file. So yeah, the file is saved now. If I check the file like secretcat.txt, as you all can see, this is a simple text file. Now what we'll do is we'll hide this file inside of this image. Yeah guys, now we're gonna do the main thing. So we'll go with stag hide and type embed here because we want to embed the file. Go with cf. Cf is a option that will specify the cover file, the image you're using. So in our case, it is myfile.jpg. And after that, you'll have to include another option called ef, which will specify the containing message that you want to be hidden. So in our case, the message is secretcat.txt. Okay, so that's all, guys. This is a simple command to hide things. So if I press enter, now it will ask me for a passphrase, which will be the secret key to unlock this secret file. So let me type something and enter. Okay, now guys, it's done. So now our image file, let's check the size of this image file. As you all can see, it's increased by 1 KB, I think. Before it was 43 and now it is 44. So yeah, 1 KB is increased because this is the data we added. Guys, the file changes are negligible. You can't see anything in this file. Only the intended person can know that yeah, this file is hiding something. Otherwise a normal person will not know, because this is still a normal image, guys. This is still a normal image of a cat, of an innocent cat. You can't see anything in this image. Now let's remove the secret cat message so that whenever we want we can just get it from our myfile.jpg file. So I'll just move this file into my desktop. Okay, so this is my desktop. No, this is no. Let's cd into the desktop directory. So I'll go to desktop now, and as you can see, this is my jpeg file here. So if I want to get data from this file, I'll just type a command which will be like stag hide using the same tool. But in this case, we'll not use embed because now we want to extract the data. So we'll use extract, and you have to specify the stago file, which is sf, and our stago file is myfile.jpg. So if I enter, now you will see it will ask me for a passphrase, and if I type that, now the extracted data is wrote to the same file name we specified before making the file. So yeah, now if I go with ls, this is our secret message. So yeah, this is how guys you can hide data in the images, guys. It is very cool. You can use it with your friend for secret messaging. Nobody will know what messages you are sending. You're just sending images, but in real case you are just sending some messages. So yeah guys, this is very important technique if you're into cyber security and stuff. So yeah guys, now you guys know this technique. If you guys like this video, then please do hit this like button and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye.